Hey, I'm back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a lightweight summer look. So I already did my brows and I'm breaking out, and I have a life ruiner in the middle of my forehead, so don't mind that. So I'm going to start off with this NYX primer base. It's called Bare With Me. It's really good. I don't favor the smell too much, but it does what it's supposed to do. So I spray my face and then I'm going to let that dry. After that, my primer is going to be the NYX Bare With Me Jelly Primer. Now, I've never personally used anything like this. It was different for me. So when I opened it up, it was like a weird looking consistency. It kind of looked like a liquid gel, but then once you put your finger into it, it kind of separates and then it liquefies. So I'm just gonna start rubbing that on my face, and the texture was so odd. You can see it on my face right there, like it was so odd, but I really like it because it blurs out your pores and everything, and it makes like nice and smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face, and then I'm gonna let it air dry. Okay, so because I'm using a tinted moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and use a concealer just to spot conceal all the areas that I have that I'm breaking out. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to all of those little tiny red spots. I look like I have freaking had the chicken pox right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Real NYX sponge. Alright, now for this baby. It's the Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. I believe this color is like beige, natural buff, or something along those lines. Check the description box for all the names and the shades that I used. So I'm just going to apply that with my sponge. It is damp. I'm just going to put it all over. This product is buildable, but is not full coverage. Like, you could probably get a medium coverage out of it, but not a full coverage. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a layer on first, and then I'm going to put on my second layer. I actually did my second layer off camera because my camera started to overheat and I need to turn it off. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply all of this, and then on to the next step. Okay, so after I finish blending all that out, I'm just going to go ahead and add some concealer under my eyes into the bridge of my nose right here and blend that out just to make it pop a little bit. I'm going to blend it out with my sponge once again, but on the opposite side. To set my face, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder, and I'm going to set everywhere on my face with this. I'm not going to bother baking my face because I do not want heavy makeup on. I don't want to look cakey or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this all over my face, and then I'm going to move on to bronzing to add some color back to my face. Okay, so I'm going to use this City Bronzer by Maybelline to go ahead and start bringing the color and dimension back to my face. So I'm starting off my forehead, then I'm going to do under my cheekbones, my chin, and I'm also going to contour my nose with it. Okay, so I kind of want a subtle highlight, so I went with the Physician Formula. I think it's like Pearl something highlighter. Check the description box because I'm forgetting all these names right now. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that on the top of my cheekbones. Cheekbones. I'm going to do my nose with it, my chin, my forehead. I'll do my eyebrows in the corner of my eyes. Because it's a light summer look, I'm not doing any eyeshadow whatsoever. I did set my eyes with some powder to make sure there's no creasing. And I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on. So this is a new mascara I've been trying out, and so far I like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that just to my top lashes, nothing to my bottom. If you want to do the bottom, you could go ahead and do that. I just wanted to do the top. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to use my Baby. This is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. This is the goldish one. I think it's like Champagne Glam or something like that. I do use the pink one as well, which is gorgeous. But I love this because it gives my lips that plump that I'm looking for. And lately, all of my looks, I've been using lip gloss. I really barely wear lipstick anymore. I just go to this lovely gloss right here. And this is perfect for a summer look too, because you know you want to look all glowy and glossy and this and that. So yeah, I'm going to finish the look with this. And then I'm going to spray my face with that NYX Bare With Me spray, because that's a setting spray and a primer spray and a refreshing spray. So it's 3-in-1, which is amazing. Okay, so I went ahead and changed, and for that summery glow on your body, you're going to want to put some on your collarbone as well. So you're going to do that by pushing your shoulders forward, which is going to make your collarbone pop out, and then you're just going to apply some to both sides. You're also going to put this where your arms and your shoulders meet. Now that you have this amazing glow, go ahead and set it with the NYX Bare With Me spray, and the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very simple. It feels good to be back. If you have not subscribed already, please do like and comment. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.